Alright, what we got here is a USB magnetic charging cable that supports 240 watts of charge power. Now, I don't have anything that's 240 watts, but I believe in future-proofing my purchases, and I would imagine that the newer laptops and things like that are going to be 240 watts. So this is supposed to be self-winding, and it sticks to itself. It feels extremely high quality, nice and thick, nice and flexible, with some good quality ends on there. Yeah, I would say this is really nice, and much easier to keep the strewn cables that you have all over your desk a little more tidy.